Yay,
Woo,
Dell.
Dell. Come on, open your present. Oh, that's not your bink. You don't need a binky. Open your present.
Thank you, Calvin, for getting this. She's trying. Look.
Help her.
Went in there and Maggie was in the porta crib.
Can you help her?
Pull her out and lock her in the bath for a little bit.
Open the present. Yeah, I think if you tear off like a big chunk, that she'll wanna like just keep tearing.
Look right here.
Take the binky away from her. That way she has to use both hands.
Adele, look. Look over here. Abby's like, but I want to help, Mom.
She can help.
I know, I gotta get her.
Oh no, don't eat the paper. Yuck.
Yucky.
Yeah.
Let's hear it. Hear it. Don't ask me why I know this, but paper